Hi guys, this is day 255 and I'm gonna hingi his drink. This is my friend Lance. You know already this one. It's Franz. Oh, here's Ma'am Monique. Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm scared. This is Rian Anet Awingan. Oh my God, yes. Welcome to my vlog, Ma'am. Welcome to my vlog. Hey. Hi, Ma'am. Hi.
Nakalive.
Yes, this is my friend. She's very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Here's my friends. They are playing volleyball. Yeah, that's my friend. That's my insan Harold. That's your chick, diba? Hi Harold. Hi Harold. Oh my God, yes. Hi Harold. This is my insan. And they are playing with these guys. Yes. This guy. This is her friend. Hi, this is Tyron. Oh my God.